Hello, my wonderful fans. We're back, but we're doing a different kind of video. Saying hello to my wonderful pets. Checking. We got that little camera. Oh my God. Hello, Edward. Oh my God, he's talking to me. All right. First, I gotta take off some gloves. I had gloves on because I was just riding my bike. I grabbed my phone and said, "Why not record?" Oh, hello, chickens. Y'all following me. They're literally following me. All right. Oh my God. They're literally following me. They think I have food. They do not follow me, bro. Yo. Bro. Oh, hello. My wonderful chicken. Okay. Look, when I leave, look. What do you want? Why do they want me? Okay. This is weird. Oh my God. They're literally trying to follow me up here, bro. Hello? Okay, they really want me. I don't know. This is not normal. No. Hello. Hello, girls. Oh my God. There's so much of you. I did not know you had this much chickens. So, hello, guys. Hi. Hi, Beth. Hey, Beth. Say hi to your camera. She is not. She's camera phobic, bro. What? Yeah, this is. Hello, Edward. Edward. Hey, Edward. Y'all do not know all these chickens are really. I need to get up. No chicken. Chickadee. Yeah. They usually come in at like after lunch. So this is what I put away. But literally all these chickens keep following me. Well, this is a chicken video. Oh my God, they're so cute. They really? Oh my God. Edward really wanted me. Okay. That's not even a chicken I literally own, bro. That's literally like that's my cousin's chicken. Like she named it. Yo, my chicken ain't here, bro. Yo. Brother, where'd my... Oh yeah, that white chicken. Yeah, that's my brother's. That's my favorite. Particularly all of my favorite. I love them all. Especially Beth, my favorite. Oh my God. Oh my God, they're trying to get my finger. Why not give them a little treat? Well, I mean, some of them are trying to attack me. You gotta give them their usual food, some worms. They eat worms, fun fact. I'm just gotta feed them one by one. Or like this. You gotta push all the food through. And you get more food. They usually find a lot of food while they're in their cage because there's like a bunch of insects. I hear chickens literally right under me. Oh my God, I see them. Oh my God, they're all gonna follow me now. Oh, chicken, be careful. Don't crowd yourself. Oh my God. I don't know how to... Oh my! What chicken was that? A chicken! Whoa. He like ripped it out of my hands. Okay, I mean, that's one way. I don't know if it's a really good way. I mean, I got another good way, but he might eat the egg, so I'm gonna. Here. You have to throw it in there. I just make sure that they get fed at least. Yeah. Just wonderful to see them eat. And they're so majestic. That's what's so cool about them. They're birds. They're like small dinosaurs. They're like literally dinosaurs, bro. They act like dinosaurs. They're so cute, though. Having them as pets is like the best thing you can do. Farmer or not, you can have chickens, cows, horses, anything, and you cannot be a farmer. You can be a farmer. You can have every single farm animal, livestock, and like I'm not a farmer. I just love chickens. I love chicken sandwiches. Just kidding. I love all my chickens equally. All my chickens, I had them for at least a year plus. The newest one's probably Edward, and the one in the back. Yep. This girl right here. Yeah. My chicken did not make it past the night. Oh my God! Okay, now I'm thinking my chickens do not like me. I think they want to eat me, bro. What was that? Oh my God, my chickens really trying to kill me. Are you hungry, bro? Are you trying to eat me because they think I'm food? Are you trying to eat the camera? Bro, where and who? Like, trying to, was it Beth? Was it Princess? Who? Yeah, it was her. Bro, he's trying to attacking me. I need to make sure all chickens can be able to eat, bro. That's why she's so scary. Wait. Yo. I need to leave my chickens alone for a bit. They're trying to do something. Oopsie. Brova. It was you. I know you, chicken. You're trying to kill me. What did I do? But it was that little chicken right there. Oh my God. Okay, guys, that's the end of the video. Bye-bye. Have a great time.